How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today is September 6th and we're gonna be diving into a few different meme coins today. We got 4 different ones pulled up, technically 5, but 2 of them are pretty connected to each other. We're gonna go through these today, just give a little overview of each of them and then give you guys my thoughts. So meme coins have been exploding in all of September 2025, and honestly these last 2 years meme coins have been a huge discussion topic. So we got 5 different ones pulled up, 4 I guess you could say, but 5. We got Trump, we got the other Trump coin, we got the troll coin, we got LOL coin, and BRETT coin. We're going to be covering current stats, analytics like RSI and MACD, recent news, and community sentiment from X and beyond. Stick around for the full breakdown, whether you're trading or just watching the chaos. Starting with the politically charged duo, we got official Trump and then we also have MAGA. These coins tie into the Trump narrative, but they're high risk with insider holdings and volatility. The official Trump coin is currently sitting a little bit above $8. It's roughly up a little under 1% in the last 24 hours. Its market cap is sitting around 1.5 billion, and in the last 24 hours circulating supply of 200 million, about the max being around a billion. All-time high, we hit around $75 for its all-time high. And then ever since it came out, it's kind of been steadily declining to an extent, but it also has been some discussion of coming back. This is a meme coin you can stay on the lookout with. So let me pull up the last 90 days and it's gone up to above $11 and it's hit all the way down to a little bit low of $8. So, and it's also peaked up around $11 again as well. So it has potential to get back up into that range at least. So if you were in around 8, get up to hopefully 11, maybe bounce out. There's no promise that it's going to stay in this range or go up to even where it has before. There's potential that it could obviously go right back down. Technically, it's consolidating near support with whale activity spiking over 90 million in volume from large holders. News-wise, a massive token unlock sparked sell-off fears, but whales are accumulating for potential September gains. Canary Capital filed a Trump ETF boosting hype while Justin Sun's involvement adds DeFi narrative. However, 80% insider ownership raises manipulation concerns. Community sentiment on X bullish dominates, with KOLs calling it a governance play, but critics highlight centralization risks. Posts like Trump's setup is a high beta, political firepower meets DeFi show excitement mixed with caution. Moving on, we got MAGA. MAGA's current price is sitting around 14 cents. It's pretty much even for the last day or so. Its market cap is a little bit above 6 million in the last 24 hours, trading volume around 10,000, circulating supply of 44 million, max supply around 47 million. All-time high, it's hit up around $17, and since then it's down pretty heavy. So let's hit the 90-day and see how it's looking, and it's jumped down to 11 cents, but it's also gone up as high as 16 cents. So in the range of, if it's below 14, could be a potential to get up to 16. Little bit of percentage gain, but it also has gone up in the last year. I mean, it went down during this point of time, it went to $1.50, and then it was around $3, and then it's been down. So there's chances that it could jump all over the board, but it's been definitely steadily on that down kind of trend, so the potential gains could be minimal, but there is still some potential there. This niche meme coin is seeing a 99% drop from ATH, reflecting volatility, recent decline tied to broader market, but community pushes for revival during these political events. Community sentiment on X: split loyalists hold for MAGA movement, but warnings of rugs and low liquidity abound. Alright, the next one we're going to be discussing is LBRETT. This one is on Ethereum layer 2. This one's blending meme fun with real tech like staking and NFTs. Its current price is sitting around 4 cents. Market cap around 430 million. Last 24 hours, it's been trading around 33 million. Circulating supply of 9.9 billion, max supply of 10 billion. All-time high, it's gone around 23 cents. It's down 80% from its all-time high, but its recent performance in RSI at 55, bullish buildup, MACD crossover positive, and volume up 114%, signaling that momentum is looking pretty good. Current charts show tight consolidation with low liquidity. Flowing in experts rank it high for 2025 upside, potentially a 5,000x like past memes. Buzz around Coinbase listing fuels excitement, but overbought risks loom if hype fades. Community sentiment on X: positive vibes with posts like BRETT carving its niche, consolidation tight, momentum building. Traders are excited about staking rewards, but some warn of slow bleed if support breaks. Next one we're going to be talking about is LOL coin. Supposedly it's the world's first meme coin. It dropped in 2011. The ultimate internet humor token, small cap, high risk, but universal appeal. Currently sitting at a little above half a cent. Market cap around 2.7 million, 24 hours trading volume around $9.50, circulating supply of 977 million, and the max is sitting around a similar range. All-time high varies, but recent highs around 1 penny. Not exactly near a penny, but 3/4 of a penny, so that's at least a decent gain from where it's at right now. But it has dropped also pretty low, and at least 10 times lower than where it's at right now. Classic newbie trap. Chart shows speed run potential but rugs in history, hype for 10x rallies but warnings of creator risks. Recent plus 60% pump to 603,000 MC suggests early momentum though. Community sentiment on X buzzing with LOL isn't just a reaction, it's printing universal language. But cautions like do research or end up with paper hands, highlight rug fears. And lastly, we're going to be talking about Troll Coin, currently sitting around 16 cents. Its market cap is around 3.8 million, and in the last 24 hours, its trading volume is around $417,000. Circulating supply of 960 trillion. Its max supply is sitting around a similar range. All-time high, it's peaked around $17, and majority of the time, it's been sitting around this 15 to 20 cent range, maybe 25 cents up to 58 cents, maybe 80 cents at some points. So it's been jumping all over, which is what makes it somewhat also a meme coin. Like, it's kind of a pump and dump to an extent, but people have done well and people have had some good gains, so it could have some nice momentum going into 2026. Momentum wave with whale buys, but overbought signals warn of a pullback. Soared 200% recently, echoing SHIB rallies. Analysts eye it for a 2025 gain. Recent performance though, RSI at 85, it is kind of overbought. MACD is bullish though, 30% daily pop, but correction possible. Community sentiment on X, strong hype like troll riding momentum, whale accumulation signals confidence, split on volatility with classic FOMO versus brace for correction. Make sure to keep in mind this is not financial advice. Before you dive into any of these cryptocurrencies or any cryptos in the market in general, make sure to do your own research, look at the trends, look at the market, look at the graphs, do everything you can before you decide to invest any money into any of these, and understand what your risk tolerance is. For me though, personally, if I was going to be going into any of these 5 coins, it makes sense to go into the official Trump one. It's not at a terrible range at the $8, but it's also a little bit more stable and a little bit more maintained compared to some of the other ones. The other ones have a little bit higher of risk, but they also potentially have higher rewards if they do skyrocket. The ultimate breakdown of these meme coins in September 25, key takeaways: high volatility across the board driven by sentiment and news. The official Trump leads in cap but risk centralization. LBRETT has tech edge. LOL and Troll are pump plays but watch for rugs. Which coin are you eyeing? Drop your pick in the comments. I'm curious to know what cryptocurrencies and meme coins you guys are diving into. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more of these videos. I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you're looking for more of this type of content, make sure to watch my playlist. I will leave it up on the screen. Appreciate you guys watching and hope to see you next time.